wonderful morning to all the aspirants who are going to appearing for the Gurukula PGT and TGT Biological Sciences exams. First of all, I am going to give big thank to Lakshminarayan sir giving this opportunity, who is the founder and director of Ramaiah Coaching Center, Dilsukhnagar, Hyderabad. And then introduce myself. I am Harinadh from Nellore, zoology faculty. I have been in this competitive field past 23 years. And then I wrote some of the books which is useful to different kind of competitive exams like Gurukula and then Group 1, Group 2, Police Constables, SI, TET and TRT. The next one, I stood in front of you in this morning for sharing my experiences, my knowledge and full of subject which is useful to your success path. And the next one, now we will discuss about the school assistant biology syllabus. It means PGT, TGT syllabus. What are the syllabus? What are the syllabus? And then what are the units present in this syllabus? So let's see the syllabus of the Gurukula, KGBV, Model School, School Assistant, Navodaya. So remembering one thing, as a biology student, we know the syllabus of the any competitive exams of the in the competitive field. So it is common, the 10 units are common for the any competitive exam, but the depth level is different from the one competitive exams to another competitive exam according to the biology. So what are the 10 units of the biology syllabus? Okay, look here. So 10 units. In the 10 units, the first one is biological sciences. It is the first unit of the biology syllabus, biological sciences. In this unit, what is the biology sciences? And then what is the importance of the biological sciences in our daily life? And then what are the branches of biology present in the biological sciences? And then what are the biologists? And then what are the institutes present in the India? So all these things are present in this unit that is called biological sciences and its importance. In the each competitive exam, nearly one question came from this unit. It is very, very important and introduction unit of the biological sciences. It is common for all the competitive exam. Remember this thing. The second one is living world and then cell and tissues and then plant world. So these three units are under the botany. So the botany contains living world, cell and tissues and then plant world. In the living world, some of the zoology content also present. What is that? That is called classification of the zoology. It means Animalia. The kingdom Animalia is present in the living world. The next one, cell and tissues. In the cell and tissues, the types of animal cells and then the types of animal tissues are situated in this cell and tissues unit. So in the living world, one zoology topic is present and cell and tissues, one zoology topic is present. Remember this thing. The next one, plant world. Completely it goes to botany, that is plant kingdom. Plant kingdom is plant morphology, all are located in the plant kingdom. The next one, another remaining 6 units, they belongs to zoology. So what are they? Animal world, sense organs, our environment, heredity and genetics, and then evolution, and finally applied biology. These are the 6 units. It means in the school assistant exams or biology and then biological sciences PGT, TGT exams, the zoology consists 65%. Okay, 65% questions came from the zoology units. Only 33% of the questions came from the botany and then 2% of the questions came from the classification of living organisms and then tissues and then branches of biology and then biological institutes and then different kinds of biologists. Okay, remember these things. And then in the 6 units of zoology, so what is the weightage? Weightage of the 6 units. Okay, we will see this. So this is the 6 units of zoology syllabus. So here animal world, sense organs and diseases, our environment, heredity and genetics, and then evolution, and then applied biology. So in these 6 units, most of the questions came from the animal world. Animal world in the 2017 PGT, TGT exams, it consists of 22 questions from TGT, and then in PGT 22 questions are asked in the PGT and TGT exams. The next one, in the 2018 in the TGT, the question paper giving to the 100 marks. So in the TGT 12 questions came from this unit, and then 15 questions came from the animal world. So it is the major unit in the zoology part. It consists of all the organ systems of the human body. This is the major unit. It is very, very important. Most of the questions in all the competitive, not only PGT biology, TGT biology. So not only this competitive exams, all the competitive exams, it leads to most of the questions came from the animal world. The next one, second unit is sensory organs. Sensory organs, the sense organs is very, very important topic for the any competitive exams. So most of the questions came from the eye and ear, and then some of the trophical diseases and then some of the nutritional diseases also present in this unit. That's why sensory organs and diseases. So this unit weightage is 11 to 10 marks in the 2017, and then 10 and then 7 marks in the 2018 PGT and TGT exams. And then third one is our environment. Nowadays it is main concept. It means most of the pollutions, national parks, and then bird sanctuaries, endangered species, red data book, all are present in the global warming, all are present in this unit. That's why most of the questions came from the environment, our environment after animal world. Okay, look here. In the 2017 exams, 14 questions came from the PGT and TGT, and then 2018, 13 questions from TGT, 11 questions from PGT asked. Okay, remember these things. The next one, heredity and genetics. It is the simple unit which contains different type of subtopics. Each subtopic contains one question in the competitive exams of the PGT and TGT. Okay, what are the topics present? We will see next later. Okay, in the genetics, 5 questions asked in the TGT exams, and then 10 questions asked in the PGT exam. In the 2018, 10 equal. In the TGT exam, 10 questions are asked. In the PGT exam, 10 questions are asked. So it is another most important one, which having lot of sub-units in this unit. The next one, evolution. Evolution having different type of theories. Type of theories. Each theory contains different scientists. So remember, the theories are important and then scientists are important. Okay. And the next one, applied biology. Applied biology means it having so many industries. It means apiculture, sericulture, fisheries, poultry, animal husbandry, and then cancer biology. Okay, and the next one, instruments, medical instruments. So these are the main topics in the applied biology. Applied biology also lead a important role after the environment. In the applied biology, 9 questions asked in the TGT exam, 12 questions asked in the PGT exams. In the 2018, 10 questions asked in the TGT, and then 10 questions asked in the PGT exam. So it is another important topic and easy topic of the biology, that is called applied biology. And the last one, finally, the botany associated topics. Botany associated topics means classification of living organisms. That means the kingdom Animalia. Okay na? Animalia kingdom. And the next one, tissues, types of tissues, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, nerve tissue, and then animal cell. Okay, so that's why it is called botany associated topics. Botany associated topics, 16 questions are asked in the TGT exams and then 14 questions are asked in the PGT exams. In the 2018, 16 questions, 6 questions from TGT and then 4 questions from PGT. So it is the total syllabus of the zoology according to the PGT and TGT. So the PGT, TGT is this type of 6 units. They are start from 6th class to intermediate. Okay, now most of the questions came from the intermediate level only in the PGT and TGT exams. So the aspirant should concentration on the intermediate level depth of the subjects. So this way they are easy to success all the competitive exams.